be explaining this program code for laboratory exercise number 2. So for the problem, we need to add both values and store the answer in CH register. So for the addition, nag-a-add siya ng dalawang numbers. First is yung value sa AL, which is yung 09H, is makokopya siya sa CH. Then, yung BL naman, which is yung 02H, is maa-add din siya sa CH, resulting in a sum of 0BH, which is 11. So, may store din yung sagot sa CH. The original values ni AL and BL is hindi siya mababago for subsequent operations. So, kaya siya naging 11 kasi 9 plus 2 is 11. Next, subtract the value places in BL from AL and store the answer in CL. So, dito naman sa subtraction, yung value ni AL, which is yung 09H, is makakopy sa CL. And then, yung BL naman, which is 02H, is need siyang isubtract. So, the difference is 07H, which is 7 as decimal. So, may store siya sa CL. So, bakit pa siya naging 7? 9 minus 2 is 7. Next, we need to multiply the values and store it in AX register with and without using mul instruction. So, for the multiplication, yung unang program is gagamit ng multiplication instruction. So, para ma-multiply yung AL, which is 09H by BL, which is 02H. So, magpaproduce yon ng 16-bit and then magre-result siya in 12H, which is 18. And then, i-store niya yon sa AX. So, as an alternative demonstration, yung program will also multiplies by repeated addition. So, ina-add niya yung 09H sa AX ng dalawang beses. And also the BL02H, which yields the same result for 12H. Magiging 18 din siya. So, bakit ba siya naging 18? 9 times 2 is 18. Last, division. So, dito naman sa division, yung program na to is, bago siya mag-divide, yung AH is makiklear siya to prepare sa division operation. So, sa paggamit ng division instruction, yung AL, which is yung 09H, is madidivide lang siya into BL, which is 02H. So, yung quotient is 04H, 4 as decimal. And then, i-store yun sa CH. And then, yung remainder niya naman na 1 or 01H is may i-store naman siya sa DH. So, bakit siya naging 4 and 1? Kasi, 9 divided by 2 is 4, and then may matitirang isa, kaya 1 yung remainder niya. Kaya ang sagot is CH equals 04H, which is 4, and then DH equals 01H, which is 1. Yun lang po. Thank you.